Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you.
Alright guys, we are back and we already got into the bonus round. So good luck us, okay? Come on, a lot of lanterns. Big ones. Aye, come on. More lanterns. Oh, more lanterns. Oh, there's a 750. That's 75 bucks, right? Right? Come on. Big ones, more. Oh, what's that one? No? Is it? Okay, come on, let's go. Big one. Oh, I have a feeling we're gonna get all of it. Watch. Come on, get all of it. Come on, 2 more games, guys. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on, let's go right here. 13. Oh, got a foot up. $255, guys. Lucky lantern, lightning link. We do some backless spins, $7.50. All right. So the wife hit her bonus round over here too. On let me clear it up. Moon race. Let's go. Come on, mommy, let's go. Come on. You triggered. Oh. Come on, moons. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Retrigger. Retrigger. Oh. Come on. Come on, Moons. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh. Come on. Come on. Last one. Come on, guys. All right. $23 maybe?
Yeah.
Let's do some back spin here. Come on. Come on. All right, we'll be back. Moon race. All right, put another $100 bill in there, and we hit the dragon. So let's try to hit the epic. What is it again? 15 games and 200 wilds. Okay. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go with the yellow eye. Oh, 6 games at 200. Let's see. Come on, wilds. We trigger. Come on, wilds. Ooh, there go the kitty cats. Yeah. Another week. These are 2 top. Wow. So lucky. 6 games at 200 wilds. Okay. Let's keep going. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Ooh, 500. Come on, let's go, wilds. Wilds. Come on. Oh, that's still a nice hit. Oh my God. Yes. Ooh. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Come on, wilds. Come on, 2 more games left, guys. 2 more games left. We should have won $25. Come on, did you get a bonus?
Yeah.
Wow. I'll come over there and record after I'm done with mine. Come on. Wilds or re-trigger. Come on. Re-trigger wilds. Boom. There we go. Oh my god. Wow, that's 600. Wait. Let's go 750. Back up spins. Come on. All right. Let's move over to the wife's another bonus. Another bonus here at Moon Race right next door. Mommy, why don't you hit the spin button this time? Come on. Moons. Wilds. Ooh, boom, right there. Satellites. Watch my ticket. I got a paid out ticket right there. Come on. $75. Come on, let's go. Come on, retrigger. Oh. Come on. Oh, come on, a lot of moons. Come on, retrigger. Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. Man. Is that top? No, I don't think so. I'm not sure. Bro, you missed a retrigger. Yeah. Yep, let's go. 200. Come on. We'll look at the game rules later. I don't know what's the top symbol. We need the wilds. Come out, wilds. Come on. Let's go. 2 more. Come on. Let's see some moons. Let's go, moons. Oh, maybe the car. Come on. Let's go, retrigger. Again. Okay. 200 almost doing it. Come on, let's do some back up spins here. Boom. Alright, come on. Okay. We'll be back, guys. Come on. Alright, guys. This is the 3rd time we get the dragons again. Should we go yellow again? Which one did you go last time? Red and white. Let's go white this time. Come on. Oh, 25. Oh, come on. Retrigger. Come on. Come on. How about coins, lanterns? Oh. Come on. Let's go. Come on. $7 practice. Come on, let's go, Dragon Head. Oh! Okay. 750 this time. Come on. Okay, let's go white again. White and red. Come on, let's try one more time. Come on. I believe in you. Oh, come on, 200. shit. Come on. Let's go. I know, man. Come on. Trigger. Boom. Who's on the slow motion? Come on. Come on, come on. We need a full screen or something. Trigger. Come on. Come on. Let's get a re-trigger here. Hey, hey. Come on, back up spins. Oh. All right. We'll be back.